Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today we have an unboxing and it is a Dooney and Bourke bag. But this time it did not come from Dooney and Bourke and it did not come from eBay, but it is brand new. So let's see what we got. I see some close to the tape, so let me be sure I have my blade on the shortest length possible because I do not want to cut it up. Okay, y'all. So initially, when I made the collection video for this collection, I said that I was done. And then I ended up getting the, excuse me, the small hobo in this color. Let me get my invoice out of there. And then when I got the small hobo, I liked it so much, I wanted to go ahead and get the drawstring bag. So I do have this drawstring bag in black, but the red was so pretty that I had to get the drawstring in it as well. And I hope it is coming up fully in the shot. So y'all, this is the Dooney and Bourke Plumes red drawstring bag. And Dooney and Bourke is quite clever because this was not on their website. Now, I don't know if it will be added at a later date or what. This color wasn't even in store. So the main color that was in store was blue. So this color was only offered on QVC. So I had to go to QVC to get it. And QVC ran a sale. So a sale plus a QVC coupon or promo code. That meant it was definitely a green light for me to go ahead and get it. And let me show you the hang tag for it. Red Plumes drawstring bag. And go ahead and unwrap it, y'all, so y'all can get a good look at it. And one thing I like about this, even though the red does definitely stand out, to me the green stands out as well. And I do have the cosmetics case that matches this as well. And let's see, is that a scrape or a scrub? Let me look at the rest of it, y'all, just to be sure that we are all good. Okay. Nothing too alarming. So let's go ahead and look inside. See what we got. And y'all, if you could comment below, let me know if you think I should do an updated Plumes video with everything included, or just leave it as is with my collection at the time, and then the separate video with me unwrapping the red Plumes small hobo, and then this video with the drawstring bag. So as you see, it does hold a lot. And this is the interior. On the back side, zipper and slip pocket with the Dooney and Bourke logo. Key keeper that's already hanging out. And 2 slip pockets on the front side. The strap, I'm not sure what the name of this strap is. I want to call it an equestrian strap, but I have not looked it up to see the actual name of it. But it is removable and adjustable, so I can unbuckle it here and remove it from the loop here if I wanted to, and actually put a different strap on it. But this is one of my favorite straps from Dooney and Bourke. It is so detailed that I don't really want to remove it. So I am a little disappointed that I did not catch the large zip around wristlet in this color. It's no longer offered on QVC, and I did not see it on the Dooney and Bourke site either in this color. So hopefully it's something that they will bring back. And if this does ever make it to Dooney.com or the ILD site, hopefully the wallet comes along with it, because I only saw it on QVC. So that would be nice with it. Like I said, I do have the cosmetics case, and I have other wallets that would actually go well with this. And I don't have my Plumes cases unwrapped to show, but this is one I'm going to actually return that I ordered. And you can kind of see through the plastic that it's the same print. And then I don't have my caramel large zip around wristlet here with me. I just have the natural. And I also have my Margot New York. And I believe this color is brandy from further research that I did. My previous video when I did the haul of this from TJ Maxx, I said it was brown, but I believe the code is, or color is brandy. So that actually goes pretty well with it also. Either one I would say could go with this particular bag and complement it just fine along with the cosmetic case. And other accessories, I have a variety of colors to choose from, so it would not be hard to accessorize this bag. Y'all, I really love this green. It's standing out so much. Even though this is a red, the actual name color for this bag is red. The green to me really stands out. And depending on what accessory I would actually pair with it, it pulls easily from the colors in the bag itself. Let me see if I have my yellow wristlet with me. I do. Just to show you kind of whatever is close to this bag, it pulls it out. So just like that, it immediately pulled the yellow colors out of the bag. So even with that large, the triple zip, and then with the brown, it all goes. So like I said before, Dooney and Bourke got it right with this color. Let me see how my ivy looks with it. If it's too dark or if it could go as well. It is darker compared to this green. The green here looks more like a Kelly green or grass green even. So I think that does kind of, it doesn't really do much for it. But you can't deny that yellow with that pattern and color mix. So, but this is it, y'all. This was my quick unboxing of the Dooney and Bourke Plumes Hobo in the color red. I hope you all like it, and comment and let me know if you have grabbed anything from the Plumes collection as of yet. There are still some pieces on the ILD site as well. There is the, believe there's a black satchel. I believe the black drawstring is still there as well, along with the brown, and the hobos are there. And the hobos, I believe, are in every color from the Plumes collection. And the initial color that did come out is blue. So that's like the primary color, or the color used to kick this collection off, actually. So, but again, the red only for now, only on QVC in this particular silhouette. And I am looking forward to it actually making it to the ILD site or Dooney.com site, so that I can possibly grab the wallet. I don't have to have it, but it would definitely be nice to include it with this collection. I would not be mad at that at all. So, thank you all so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. I really do appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. As always, have a wonderful day.